If your turntable is running a little bit slow or making a squeaky sound, or maybe not running at all, it is possible that you need to replace your turntable belt. First, get a new belt. I will post a link for this specific turntable in the description. This is a Kenwood KD-1500. To remove the old belt, lift and put aside the round rubber mat. Then lift the metal plate. You can use the two holes. Take out the old rubber if you find it. Look how much stretch it is. This happened after a while. Rubber is a natural material and things happen to it. Take out the new rubber belt and load it around the metal base of the plate. Then turn it over and put it back to its place. Use the small window on the metal plate to find this little lever. I use a wooden stick, a flat wooden stick. You need to slide it just between the rubber and the metal plate in order to put it over this little round spindle, just like this. And the replacing of the rubber belt is finished. You can put back the rubber mat and turn on the turntable to see that everything is okay now. Thank you for watching.